If you want to use a power adapter with 100 watts or more to charge your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then of course you can use it without any issues whatsoever. However, if you expect that power adapter to be faster compared to 60 watt power adapter, then unfortunately it won't be the case. So let me quickly elaborate. If you have already a power adapter that uses 60 watts and uses PD 3.0 technology, and you use it to charge your Galaxy S26 Ultra, then you pretty much can reach the fastest charging speed possible, because the phone can use up to 60 watts at most. And if you are thinking about upgrading to 100 watts or more, then it won't make any difference compared to that specific power adapter, of course. And so it won't be any faster, but of course, if you just want it to work, if you want to be able to charge your Galaxy S26 Ultra, then of course you can do that. You can use that power adapter that has 100, 120, 125 or more watts, and it's going to work, it's going to charge. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.